Alright, this is the chapter about safety. Everything you do around the lathe or in the wood shop or around chemicals and around dust, you need to really be careful. You need to protect yourself. The CA glue we're using has toxic, stinky smells. It's CA meaning cyanide, cyanoacrylate. That's what CA glue stands for. So protect your lungs from that. There's dust we're going to have while turning on the lathe and sanding. So I have a nice mask like this that I use when I'm sanding. I'll wear it a lot. Safety glasses are a must anytime you're working with the chemicals or sanding or wood turning, anything spinning on the lathe. I also wear this mask. I wear safety glasses that have bifocals in them. Don't ask me why I need those. But anyway, I'll wear a mask, a face shield like this as well. I will not wear this long sleeve shirt. If I do, I'll make sure the sleeves are turned up. Another thing I like to wear is this schmock, which keeps my clothing tight, out of sight, no loose clothing, no long hair. I mean, I might need to get this trimmed a little bit in order to be in compliance. When working around the CA glue, I always wear gloves to keep off my fingers, keep the mess down. So, once again, read and learn and understand how your lathe works. Get dust protection, whether it be in the form of a mask, forming the filters, a big huge dust collector for your shop, or all of the above. Make sure to wear approved safety glasses, a face shield. If your lathe has a cage that goes over the top of it, I use that too when I'm turning bowls. But in this class, we'll be turning pens, and they'll spin at a high speed, but there's not a lot of chance of them really coming off the lathe with the equipment we use. So be really careful around the shop. Pay attention to your surroundings. Keep your shop area clean. And once again, any chemicals or dust or anything in the air, make sure you protect yourself from that. So, once again, it's your shop and it's your safety, so do what's best for you.